The correct sentence we say in Italy in this case is
Fretta marmata. Yes, he's the smart guy.
This clip is the last clip my GoPro recorded ever. And if you want, you have to buy an extra ticket for the Submarine, and on our opinion, it's definitely worth it. Welcome to Monte Rosso, Cinque Terre. Ciao piccolo, ciao. Welcome guys! Second day, and we have a lovely dog that greets us. Bye! And we are approaching Sori.
Perché è granularia. Da qua basta trovare un po'.
And here we are, my very first swim of 2021. Here we go.
Effettivamente qui è un po'. Tipo da avvicinarsi. It's cold.
Ah.
It's so cold.
Ma no, dovrebbe essere peggio, dai.
The correct sentence we say in Italy in this case is
Fretta marmata.
in Italy,
It's like cold as marble. Yes, cold as marble.
No,
He's the smart guy. Apo is the smart guy.
Now, the clip you're going to see is very important to me, because as you know, the majority of the videos present on my channel have been recorded using my GoPro. I loved it. I really loved my GoPro, but this clip is the last clip my GoPro recorded ever. Because after that launch inside the sea, it broke, so I can't use it anymore. You're right, I have to repair it, and I will try, but for the moment it is inaccessible. So enjoy the last clip my GoPro recorded.
Bravo!
Wow! Pezzo di merda! Scivolo! Cerca! It's a little record! By the way, thank you very much Claudia for this amazing drawing. If you want to see more images, search for her on Instagram at CLA_ARS. And for dinner we went... Danny, where did we go?
We went to eat the focaccia al formaggio in the oldest restaurant in Recco.
And the next day for breakfast, I made pancakes with Nutella.
And the day after we went to...
the Galata Museum at the port of Genova, which exposes the story of the Genova port. The museum has 3 floors, but the best part is outside when you can visit the submarine with an extra ticket.
So basically you have to buy both the ticket for the museum, and if you want you have to buy an extra ticket for the submarine, and on our opinion it's definitely worth it. So if you go there, we highly suggest you to go there and visit also the submarine.
Un video? It's a video.
Su un sommergibile.
Così.
E ora siamo risaliti.
Abbiamo avvistato un paio di balene e basta. La serie A è iniziata.
Coming soon on this channel.
Yes, we are approaching Cinque Terre. Welcome to Monte Rosso, Cinque Terre. Se il video ti è piaciuto, ricordati di iscriverti al canale e di attivare la campanella delle notifiche, così rimarrai sempre aggiornato. A presto, ciao!